Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Diaries. I'm Neha. Here you can see my specialization, networking concepts, C language, HTML. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic concept of computer networking. Let's begin with the video. Computer networking. Computer network, two or more computers that are connected with one another for the purpose of communicating data electronically. The main benefits of network: resource sharing, using network connected peripheral devices like printers, scanner, or sharing software between multiple users. And it is also cost efficient. There are some basic components of a computer network: server, client, network interface card, protocol, transmission, media. So the first basic concept of computer networking is server. A server is a powerful computer with high speed and great processing capability. There can be multiple servers in computer network. Server can link other computers or electronic devices together to provide important services to both private and public users. We can take example. When you enter a query in a search engine, the query is sent from your computer over the internet to the server that store all the relevant web pages. The results are then sent back by the server to your computer. It is also advisable to have servers with dedicated functionality such as web server, database server, and print server. The next basic components of computer network is client. So a client is also known as a node. And a client is a computer system which uses a network to access the remote services from the server. It can access all the applications of information from the main server. This is called a client. Next component of computer network are network interface card. It is a small piece of computer hardware which facilitates the communication between different computers over a network. The NIC identifies every single node in a network by providing a unique physical address to it. This address is stored on the chip which is mounted on the card. This is a card. The other component of computer network are protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that covers the communication between computers on a network. The basic functions of protocol is addressing, data packet format, segmentation. Segmentation matlab splitting long messages into small pieces, and embedding control information, detecting errors, control data flow, controlling connections. These are the basic function of protocol. And here there are many types of protocol: internet protocol, Ethernet, SMTP, HTTP, FTP, FDDI, and all the protocols are working different. Next basic component of computer networking are transmission media. In transmission media, it is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to the receiver. These transmission media may be of two types. First is guided, another is unguided. In guided transmission media, transmitted data travel through cabling system that has a fixed path. We can take example of copper wire. and fiber optic wires, etc. In unguided transmission media, data travel through free space in the form of electromagnetic signals, for example, radio waves and laser. Next video we will be coming soon. Please subscribe to get the notifications. Also, if you want any video on a specific topic or have any questions, feel free to drop an email. And if you have any feedback for this video, please share those through comment or send me an email. Thank you.